कोलवा माडेलांत जाल्ल्या हल्ल्यांत आतां मेरेन 18 जाणांक अटक केल्यात. वापरिल्लीं शस्त्रां रिकवर केल्यात म्हूण माहिती मेळटा.
So in that case, we registered an offence, and 5 people were named, along with the others. Total 18 people have been arrested in this whole case, and we have identified and we have attached 6 vehicles also in this case. So multiple teams were formed after this incident, and we were successful in catching all of them. There are few still remaining. Still teams are working on them, and soon we will catch them. Also, the weapons used in this attack, we have recovered all of them. So, and a special mention to the all South Goa Police, that not just the subdivision of Margao, but other police stations also contributed in solving the case. Any questions?
सर गन जो यूज किया था वो रिकवर हो गया.
गन अभी बच रही है, उसको रिकवर करें.
So what are the weapons you said are recovered? Please name them.
The weapons are the kurta and all those things.
झगड़ा होने का कारण क्या है?
पर्सनल एनमिटी थी दो लोगों के बीच में. दो लोगों का आपस में जो झगड़ा था उसी का बदला लेने के लिए दो लोग जाने का है.